Today we will learn how to create a Facebook page. For that, open your Facebook ID if you have. If you don't have, I already uploaded a video how to create Facebook account. Now, open your Facebook ID and click on the top right icon. You will see the page over there. Just click on that. On the left side, you need to fill some information. So, for example, I am creating a page, Tech Beginner Guide. After that, select your category, like I will select Computer Training School. After that, you can put your page bio if you want it optional. On the right side, you can see there is a preview option. How would your page will look like on laptop as well as on mobile phone? Now on the left bottom, you can see Create Page, so click on that. It will take some time. Now you can see it show an error because I put capital letters there. So I need to edit that. It should be in small letter, I think. Yes, it works, so click on the Create button. There is more option for basic information you need to finishing the setting. After completing those information you need to set a profile and cover pictures, or you can upload these letter. I am leaving it now, and there is an action button. Click on that and select which button you want to show for the public. That depends on your content, which type of business you have. So select that and scroll down and click on Next and save it. Step 3 says that if you want to connect your WhatsApp with your page, I want to skip that for now. Click on Next. This step is all about the notification about your page. So read it or skip it and click on Done. So this is my Facebook page. And click on the Home button. It's same as my personal ID. There is nothing complicated to use it. Now what will happen here is that for access to your page, we need to log in our personal ID, then click on the right top icon, and you can switch to your page now. If you want to see your page progress, you can go to the professional dashboard, and it will show all your page activities and results. And there is a Meta Business Suite. In the next video, I will show you how Meta Business Suite works for your page. If you like this video, just click on the subscribe button for support.